Hello, today I'm going to show you how to access the manager portal and navigate around it. So the first thing that you want to do is go to your web browser. I already had the link pasted, so I'm going to click paste and go, and it's going to direct me to the small software manager portal. Since I'm already logged in as well, it's not going to make me log in, but in your case, you're going to have to log in with your credentials. In the beginning, you'll see employee links, company links, and manager links. You'll have things like insurance, vision insurance, contact HR, QSR Soft, Zoom Timer, and then things like our ticketing system and Make Hire. You'll also see that I have access to all locations on the left. On your left, you will only have access to your location, so some of these things might apply to all locations. At the top left, you'll see a Hamburger menu. When you click it, it's going to pull up things like people, scheduling, onboarding skills, and these are things that you're going to be able to go to access different things for your people. So I'm going to select people. This is where you can see things like their job title, the email, when did they first log in, their phone number, mobile, and home. You'll see that I have access to all locations. This will just say your location based on where you are at. Scheduling is next. This section is not all the way complete yet, but this is where you're able to view their schedule, view how many shifts they have, what location they're at, which will just be your location, and then employee ID. And also, like I said, this section just is not ready yet, but when it is, you will be able to see their schedules. I tried twice to see if it would do something different. Next is going to be onboarding. As well, in this section, there's nothing in there. Skills, this is where you're able to update skills, see what location they're at, the original hire date, what their title is, as well as phone number and email. Document section is not complete yet, but when it is, you will be able to access documents here for different things. Message Center is where it gets really cool. This is how you are able to communicate with your store without having to text everyone through your phone. So you can see myself and Brooke sent out a couple messages. We have sent these out to different stores. For you, when you click new message, for this subject, I'm just going to type in test. You can send it three different ways, either SMS, which will pull up an SMS box, email box, or SMS and email, and this will have the email and SMS box. I found SMS is going to be the easiest way. In the box I'm putting, this is a test for the video. To the right, I can select any location I'd like. For you, again, it's going to be just your location that you are assigned to. I'm going to select Boymel in Bethel in this case. I think I went with Bethel. At the bottom, you're going to click Save and Review. This is going to be the page that pops up, your review and send message. It's going to say test for video. It's going to tell me my delivery method, what my SMS message says. And then you can either send a test to your phone number just to make sure that it comes out the way that you wanted, or just click send. If I click drafts, these are just draft of messages. So if I start something and you don't finish it or you want to come back to it, that's where the drafts will be housed. If we go back to Message Center, we will see message group. This is how you're able to create groups within your store. So if I want a group that says crew trainers, I would make that group name crew trainers and then select certain employees that I would like to put in that group. So it makes it easier for you to send out those messages in quick scenarios if you need to. Surveys. This is where you're able to see surveys on your store. So when you send a survey out, or if myself or Brooke sends a survey out, you're able to see the responses to those surveys, what kind of surveys you have that are reoccurring. If we go to responses, at the top, this is where you will be able to see those responses to your surveys. Clicking on the hamburger menu again, sometimes you'll have to go back to like where it says manager portal, and then the hamburger menu will pop up. Also, refreshing your page helps this. But that is just a quick review of the manager portal.